Okay, the kitchen timer app. Now, what it does is that you can set the time to anything. Well, you can set the time. For example, you're keeping anything in the oven, and you want it to ring. Okay, let's decrease this. You want to put a timer to it so that it rings when the timer goes off. You can just use this application to do so. The countdown goes on 1, 0. That's the kind of alarm it will ring. So anything, if you skip something like for 10 minutes, you want to keep it into the refrigerator, you can just turn on the timer and there it goes. After 10 minutes, the timer will ring, and you can accordingly do anything you can undo, or whatever that's set can be taken off after that timer. Good utility for kitchen use, as the name suggests. Thanks.